To automatically change lock screen wallpaper when sleep mode is on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap sleep. Scroll down the screen. Under change appearance section, tap the lock screen thumbnail. Now select the desired lock screen wallpaper. As the example, we will select the dark wallpaper under feature section. Tap Done button to save your selection. With this setting, when sleep mode is active, your phone will automatically set the selected wallpaper as your lock screen wallpaper. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.